Shaunak. I'm originally from Bombay, India. The last 6 or 7 years I've been living and working in Silicon Valley, San Jose specifically. I'm a software developer, so I've worked at a few different companies in the Valley, Yahoo and Netflix. My last job right before Code for America was at a startup that made satellites. So that was kind of out there for a software developer. I look at every problem as a set of constraints. The system needs to be up for 99.99% of the time, but it also needs to serve things up within less than half a second. So I enjoy that. I enjoy gathering all the constraints, and then it's like a puzzle. How do I come up with a solution that fits all these or as many of these constraints as possible? Government in India isn't sort of the best in many ways. There's a lot of corruption and whatnot, and so even as a child I wanted to do something about it, make a change somehow. I just didn't know how, and it was like, oh, what am I, one person, going to do against this massive system? So I've always had that urge. And I fast forward to today, and when I found out about Code for America in last summer when I watched a TED talk by Jen Paulka, the founder, it really it clicked. That's when it really clicked, and I was like, okay, well this is like the perfect intersection. One, not only can I contribute back, I can actually do something about it. I can apply my skills to do something about it. There's something called the bomber peak, how alcohol influences programming ability. Anyway, random side thought. I think I probably program maybe slightly better if I'm drinking bourbon. I'm really into cricket. That's like a huge thing in India. I'm all right. I'm a better bowler than a batsman. I got myself a bat. There was a little bit of an impulse buy, a full-size bat with my name on it and everything. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I have it now. I heard of a chicken and waffles place somewhere. Someone was telling us I would like to go there. People in the justice system, the officials that we've been meeting with, they all want to do the right thing, or they want to they recognize there's issues and they all want to help, and we feel like they're all trying to reach agreements and common ground and that sort of thing. So that's really nice to see. You put something very minimal out there, watch users respond to it, and then you sort of course correct, and you keep doing that. You just keep iterating through that. So the jackets, right? So these are hard to come by. I almost lost mine the other day and I freaked out. You have to write some code and contribute it to the Code for America code repository. When you do that, they hand you the jacket. So it's a little bit of a ceremony, not much, but still they make you earn it, I guess is the point. So so that's the jacket. We go into the Hall of Justice now, and people recognize us. And we were in one of the dorms talking to the inmates, and one of the guys is like, "Oh, you guys are the Geek Squad." I speak Hindi and Marathi, which is the local language, and Hindi is kind of the national language. Louisville, ek bahut acha shehar hai, which means Louisville's a great city. Yeah, I mean it. It's a good place.